when we people are not having any way out of the problem, and it is the help of the God that comes to us automatically. When we are in difficult situation, we remember God always. Everyone, maybe we are praying God daily or not, चाहे हम आस्तिक हैं चाहे हम नास्तिक हैं ना, तो हम भगवान को नहीं भी मानते होंगे ना, even then when we are in difficult situation we remember about God, हम एकदम से हमारा ध्यान जो है भगवान की तरफ जाता है and we get some way out. थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम के बाद, डिप्रेस होने के बाद we get some way out, कोई ना कोई रास्ता जो है वो निकल आता है. That's why he was surprised at the end. वो खुद एंड में आकर हैरान है. You can see in the last lines वो क्या कह रहा है. So who helped me to arrive there? Last lines read करिए चैप्टर की. Who helped me to arrive there safely without a compass or a radio and without any more fuel in my tanks? All those questions which you are asking, the same question he is asking to himself. वो अपने आप से पूछ रहा है कि वो सेफली वहां कैसे पहुंच गया, किसने उसकी हेल्प करी. उसके पास ना कोई कंपास था, ना रेडियो था, ना उसके टैंक में कोई फ्यूल था ज्यादा. Who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane flying in storm without lights? Was surprised and he himself was wondering and trying to think over how it happened that he reached safely there. So this is only the imaginary power, or you can say the help of the God that we get in our depressed or difficult times, that lead us to our destination or to come out of the problem. It happens many times. Whenever we are in sad or depressed mood, we don't find the way out. We feel very sad. And suddenly we get some solution of that problem and automatically we reach to some result and we come out of that depression. So it is a human psychology, you can say, or different ideas are collected here which can be contributed for this answer. Okay. Is it clear, beta?
Yes.
Is coming to the second part. That is thinking about language. Study the sentences given below. First, they looked like black mountains. Inside the clouds, everything was suddenly black. Third, in the black clouds near me, I saw another aeroplane. The strange black aeroplane was there. Now we can see in these sentences the word black in sentences A and C refers to the very darkest color. Sentence A and C, they looked like black mountains. In the black clouds near me, I saw another aeroplane. Sentence A and C, when we read these two sentences, we get the idea that it is referred to the darkest color. Black color को darkest color के तौर पे refer किया गया in two sentences में. But in B and D here, it means without light, with no light. Inside the clouds, everything was suddenly black. मतलब पूरा अंधेरा था, कुछ भी नजर नहीं आ रहा था. In D, the strange black aeroplane was there. And again here, in D sentence also, it shows no light because the aeroplane was having no light. Yeah. So black is giving you two meanings here in these four sentences. Black has a variety of meanings in different contexts. For example, I prefer black tea means I prefer tea without milk. Here the meaning of black is different. Next sentence, with increasing pollution, the future of the world is black. What does it mean? With increasing pollution, the future of the world is very depressing, without hope, मतलब अच्छा नहीं है और निराशाजनक होगा, डिस्ट्रक्टिव होगा, गलत होगा हमारे लिए. ठीक है, अगर पोल्यूशन इंक्रीज होता गया तो फ्यूचर जो है वो हमारा डिप्रेसिंग होगा. There will not be any hope and good. So we have seen different meanings of the word black. In example, one refers to black color, second refers to no lights or without lights, third refers to tea without milk, black tea, and then black refers to depressing idea or hopeless idea. Now there is one exercise given to you. Now try to guess the meanings of the word black in the sentences given below. Check the meanings in the dictionary and find out whether you have guessed right. I told you to read the exercises. If you have tried, then you can be able to solve these exercises. Yes. Read the sentences and then tell the meaning of the word black used in that particular sentence. Yes. Yes. Divya beta. Yes. Very good.
First sentence, go and have a bath. Your hands and face are absolutely black.
Yes.
Ma'am, here black refers to the dirty and filthy face and hands of him.
Yes. Dirty and soiled. मिट्टी से भरा हुआ या गंदा. Go and have a bath. Your hands and face are absolutely black. Here, black refers to dirty or soiled.
Black.
Here, next. Next sentence, Divya beta.
The taxi driver gave Ratan a black look as he crossed the road when the traffic light was green. Ma'am, here black refers to the anger, maybe
Black refers to the
angry look. Ma'am,
taxi
angry
driver
look.
gave Ratan a black look as he crossed the road when the traffic light was
Ma'am, am
green.
I audible?
Yes, it means angry. It means angry. Yes.
Ma'am,
Next. Yes. Next sentence, beta.
road when the traffic light.
Yes, it was correct. The taxi driver gave Ratan a black look. It means angry. Yes, third
Angry look.
sentence. Next student should come forward. Yes, Harjap Singh. Yes.
The bombardment of Hiroshima is one of the blackest crimes against humanity.
Yes.
Honores,
Here it means the blackest means.
Hinous,
Yes.
H-E-I-N-O-U-S,
H-E-I-N
I-N-O-U-S,
आगे
O-U-S.
O-U-S. Heinous. You can simply write unfortunate. The bombardment of Hiroshima is one of the blackest crimes against humanity. Unfortunate, you can say. ये heinous हो सकता है, hatred, full of hatred. ठीक है? Good. Next sentence. Yes, Harjap. Next sentence, beta. Continue with the next.
Very few people enjoy Harlotte Pinter's black comedy. Here, black refers to depressing.
To
Depressing.
depressing.
Depressed.
Otherwise, if we talk about this Harold Pinter's black comedy, it is a book with humor that is based on negative aspects. Humor on negative aspects. एक होता है positive ideas लेकर. Here in this book we get humor, हंसी वाली बातें, मजाक वाली बातें की गई हैं on the negative aspects. गलत बातों को लेकर जो कि नहीं होनी चाहिए, ऐसे aspects को लेकर वहाँ पर ह्यूमर की बातें करी गई हैं. So here black comedy refers to the humor based on negative aspects. Next, now I would like next student to come forward and continue with the rest part. Pranay Chadha, yes, beta.
Yes,
Pranay
ma'am.
Chadha, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes shopkeepers store essential goods to create false scarcity and then sell these in black. Ma'am, here black refers to goods that are sold at higher prices.
No, sell these in black. Illegal way में जो चीजें बेची जाती हैं उसको कहते हैं black. कहते हैं ना वो black करता है, मार्केट में black हो रही है, black money आ गया या कुछ ऐसे है. बात आपकी एक तरह से इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज इफ वी टॉक यू आर राइट कि जब वो ज्यादा रेट के ऊपर चीजों को बेचते हैं तो हम कहते हैं वो ब्लैक कर रहे हैं. बट व्हाट इज इट? इट इज इलीगल एक्शन. ठीक है. देन सेल दीज इन ब्लैक मींस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इलीगल एक्शन. चोरी छिपे बेचते हैं, मतलब बेचते तो हाई रेट पे ही है जो आपने कहा है. इट इज करेक्ट, बट एक्चुअली इट मींस दैट व्हेन द एक्शन इज डन इलीगली. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस.
Villagers had beaten the criminal black and blue. Here, black refers to very badly or crucially.
Yes, villagers had beaten the criminal black and blue. Black and blue means beaten very harshly, hit or punched. जैसे कहते हैं ना गुस्से और मारकर, या आप पंजाबी में क्या कहते हो मुक्का मारना, तो ऐसे बहुत बुरी तरह से पीटना. ठीक है. That means black and hue. Yeah, so we have seen different meanings of the word black in all the 6 sentences. Or in the above examples also we got 4 meanings of the word black, and then 6 sentences. That means 10 meanings of the word black used in different meanings, in different contexts we have got. So in this way, any word can be used into different ways with the different meanings. Yeah. This will increase your vocabulary part. You will come to know how the word can be used in different ways. Yeah. Now coming to the next exercise, look at these sentences taken from the lesson you have read. I was flying my old Dakota aeroplane. Second sentence, the young seagull had been afraid to fly with them. In the first sentence, the author was controlling an aircraft in the air. Another example is children are flying kites. First sentence में meaning flying का क्या आ रहा है? That the pilot was controlling an aircraft in the air. ये aeroplane उड़ाने के बारे में बात हो रही है, उसके balance को या उसको control करने के बारे में बात हो रही है. And if we talk in simple the meaning of the word flying, we use children are flying kites. ठीक है. In the second sentence, the seagull was afraid to move through the air using its wings. Second sentence में fly का meaning देखिए क्या आ रहा है. The young seagull had been afraid to fly with them. To fly, यहाँ पर bird की fly के लिए बात की जा रही है. The here flying here means to moving his wings through the air. हवा में अपने पंखों को हिलाकर उड़ना, जैसे कि birds उड़ते हैं. So different meanings of the word flying you have. In the first sentence, you have flying for the aeroplane. In the second, you have the flying for the bird. Then we have got the example of flying of kites. Now match the phrases given under column A with their meanings given under column B. Yes, quickly raise your hands. Those who have got the turn, they should not raise hand now. Already those who have given the answer, they should not raise hand now. Yes. Yes, Archana beta.
Yes, ma'am. First one, fly a flag, matches with third one in B column, display a flag on a long pole.
Yes, very good.
And
display a flag on a long pole. जब हम Independence Day पे या Republic Day पे flag unfurl करते हैं ना, उसको लहराते हैं. That is the word used here. Next.
second one, A column, fly into rage, matches with last one in B column, becomes suddenly very angry.
Yes, fly into rage. Rage होता है गुस्से में आना. So become suddenly very angry. You have already read this word wage. Yes, next, third one.
Third one is fly along, which matches with move quickly or suddenly.
Yes, fly along means move quickly or suddenly. अचानक या बहुत तेजी से भागना या move करना. That is fly along. Next, fifth one.
Fourth one is fly high, which matches with be successful. Second
Yes.
one in B column.
Okay. Fourth, fly high. That means be successful. आप कहते हैं flying color में he got success in flying colors. That means successful. Be successful. Next.
The last one matches with the uh, fourth one in B column. Fly the coop, escape from a place.
Yes. Escape from a place. Fly the coop. किसी जगह से बचकर निकल आना. Clear? So you have seen the different meanings of the word fly here. पहले हमने black के different meanings देखे. How black word can be used in different contexts. And now you have seen the word fly. So this will increase your vocabulary and you can use these words in your writings or anywhere else in the questions, whatever you want to write according to the meaning. Now coming to the next exercise, we know the word fly of birds, insects means to move through air using wings. Pick the word which have the same or nearly the same meaning. You are given a list of the words. You are to tick the words which refer to flying of the birds or the insects. That means moving of the birds or the insects. Yes. Next, I want Tushar Malhotra. Tushar Malhotra. Are you there in the class, beta, or you left?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. You have joined the class today. Yes, very good. Yes, beta, can you give the words out of this list?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The words which have the same or nearly the same meaning as fly are swoop,
Yes.
flit,
Yes. Flit.
flutter,
Also. Yes.
float,
Float. Yes.
hover,
Hover. Yes.
skim,
Skim. Yes. No.
glide,
Skim नहीं होता. Skim नहीं होता.
soar, glide, and sail.
Glide. Soar. Sail.
And sail.
Yes. Spring. Spring word is also used for the moving. Flutter, flap, in the last row. Flutter, glide, spring, flap. 4 words. In the first row, swoop, ascend, descend, stay. Second row, flit, float, dart, and soar. Third row, hover and sail. Please, this is your homework today, that you all must open the dictionary and find out the meanings of these words if you don't know. This word ka meaning pata hai, it's okay, but if you don't know, please find out the meaning of these words in the dictionary today. Clear? And increase your vocabulary. Next one, there is some writing task also given to you. Have you ever been alone or away from home during a thunderstorm? Narrate your experience in a paragraph. You will write a paragraph of 100 words of your personal experience. If you have any, if you don't have any, then imagine here that if you have been alone and away from home during a thunderstorm, what would have been your feelings and behavior and experience? Okay. If you already had this experience, then write your real experience, link it with your real life situation. And if you don't have this experience, then imagine, and then you can imagine and write about it in the form of a paragraph. Here, they have told about this this chapter, that in this chapter they have told us the story, one about a bird, another about a human being in a plane. Now what you have to do is, they say as they read the story of the seagull, students should imagine how a baby learns to walk and compare and contrast the two situations. Is anyone would like to share his views on this point. If you imagine a baby walking, learning to walk, or a small baby or a young baby in the beginning learns to walk, कैसे वो start करता है learning, कैसे चलना शुरू करता है, and then compare it with the situation of the seagull that is referred to in the first story and about the man in the second story, the pilot in the second story. Yes, very good. I see the hands of two students. Yes. Yes, Lavanya beta. Share your views.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the case of a baby, when he starts learning to walk, by the age of 1 or 1.5, he tries to walk, but obviously in the first attempts, he always fails and falls on the ground. Uh, uh, in the beginning of learning to walk, they try to crawl, but
Yes, very good. This is the beginning stage. The child starts crawling, the baby starts crawling on his knees or her knees. Yes. Then
slowly and gradually, after some months, they try to stand on their feet by themselves,
yes.
by taking a support first, and then by trying and trying, they start standing on their feet themselves.
Very good.
And
Link
then
it with
they
your
start.
chapter now. Link this real situation which you have seen in your life with your chapter. How it is
in
related
the
with the idea.
In the story of the young seagull also, in his
Yes.
first attempts, he does not even try because he was very afraid that his wings would never support him. But when he tried, and he gradually learned how to fly and dive
Yes.
and it was because of his mother. In the real situation also, we can see that a baby walks and learns how to stand on his feet because of his family.
Yes. And he or she also feeling of fear of falling down.
Yes.
And he wants the
Yes.
support of someone to start walking. Okay. You are to take the real life ideas, situation according to these questions. This can be your critical or analysis questions, case-based study questions given at the back. You can link these with the stories. Okay. Now there is another question given to you on the next page. After you read the second part, what idea is given to you? That their ideas about the phantom plane, and was it really there, or did the pilot imagine it? If the students feel it was really there, who could have been piloting it? We discussed this question yesterday also. What is your opinion about that? Was there any aeroplane? Was there any pilot, or it was only the imagination of the narrator that someone was guiding him, some aeroplane was there, and that led him to the airport, and he was safe there. He landed there safely. When he inquired from the airport, there was no one. And the lady in the control room started laughing just to tell that man, the author, the narrator, or the pilot of that aeroplane, that there was no other aeroplane. His was the only one which she could see on the radar, on the device. So you have to give your views here relating to the chapter that we discussed yesterday also. It's although almost the same question that we discussed yesterday. Then one more question is given to you. Ask students to narrate their own stories about flying. It could be about flying in an airplane, or flying a kite, or about watching a bird flying. We have discussed all the three meanings of this word fly. You are to relate your own personal experience with any particular one meaning out of these three. You can explain your flight in the aeroplane if you have experience like this, or flying a kite, or if you have seen any bird flying, then anything to do with flight. So you have to think about it and jot down your ideas and share your own experience with this. Then you will link it with the story. Clear? Please note down the points for this particular topic and we'll discuss it tomorrow. And after that, we'll move to the next chapter. And please cross-check your answers of the previous chapter and you will get the assignment of the second part today. Okay.